Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and please leave your comments. I want to first thank you all for being here, and thank you for all your support on this channel. You really do mean the world to me. Okay, I'm going to start off tonight by asking you a question. Please leave your comments in the comments below. Do you believe that we will be getting a second stimulus check? I want to tell you what I think about this. I believe we will be getting a stimulus package, but I see a stimulus check shrinking away day by day. Please tell me what you think about this in the comments. Do you think we'll get a stimulus check or just a stimulus package? The stimulus package is for more likely to pass than a stimulus check. This is because the country will need these things in the package, but most of them will help the government and their rich friends on Wall Street, not the American people. It will most likely be more bailout for Wall Street and the rich people, and more bailouts for the big business. More state and local funding to pay for all the unneeded government workers. All they do is push paper around all day long. Most of them. Some of them do work. But with all the businesses closing down, people losing their jobs, people getting sent home early, I don't see this happening in the government. None of these unneeded, these unnecessary jobs are being eliminated from the government. In fact, they're making more jobs in the government. Why don't they send some of them home? Why don't they lay some of them off? I mean, they don't have no problem with doing it with the private sector. They don't have no problems with closing businesses down. Close some of the not needed branches of government down. I have not seen anything closed down on state and local governments. And sure as hell ain't seen nothing closed down in Washington. Oh, and don't forget, all the flying around the country by the House and the Senate, going home for their vacations, their mini vacations. They do this like every other week. And who do you think is paying for all that jet fuel for them to fly around in? Paying for the pilot for them to fly the plane for them. Paying for everything. It's the American taxpayers, you and me. And I bet all of these people added up together, I bet that's a big price tag. On the passing of a stimulus check, we've seen how the American people are losing their jobs, losing their homes, and losing everything they've ever worked for. And we know the House and the Senate sees it also. But they just don't give a damn about the American people enough to do anything. It is many members of the Senate that don't want a stimulus package at all. And for them, I say, they have a place in hell waiting for them. The American people are hurting. The American people has voted these crooks into office. And this is how they repay the favor, by doing nothing. For 6 months now, they have been acting like they're fighting for the American people. And they've had us all fooled for some time now. But now we are seeing their evil ways. And yes, they are fighting. but they're not fighting for the American people. They are fighting against the American people. This is the reason I am saying I don't believe we will get a stimulus package with a check in it. I believe we will get a stimulus package, but minus the stimulus check. Now, y'all, this is just my opinion, so please don't take it as gospel. We just might get a stimulus check, but every day we wait, the chances of that diminishes. And we never know what our government is going to do. Will they surprise us one day and give us a stimulus check? I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think. If the Mooch Man's skinny bill gets passed and they can put the $455 billion from the Federal Reserve in it, it would be big enough to get all the necessary things they need to get passed. It would also be big enough to get the American people a stimulus check. But I just feel that they will try to stick it to the American people yet again. The House and the Senate will be back in Washington on Monday. Let's hope they get something done. Man, ain't that a good idea? Get something done for a change. They ain't got nothing done in a while now. They say the first order of business will be the government spending bill. And if we're lucky, maybe they can just get to the stimulus package with a stimulus check. But even if they do pass a stimulus package, I don't believe we will see anything until well after the first of the year. The COVID vaccine is most likely going to be out this week. And they say more and more people are now saying that they will take it. Tell me in the comments, would you take it? Do you plan on taking it? I believe I will take it, but I'm going to wait a while. I'm not going to do it right off the bat. I have said this before, and I believe it, that when Congress sees how good the vaccine is working, I don't think we will get another stimulus check after that. And that's why I say, let's get the Mooch Man's skinny bill passed now, as long as it's got a stimulus check in it. Let's get what we can now, because it could be our only hope of getting a stimulus check. I know nobody wants that skinny bill. We know Nancy Pelosi wants a big package. But her package, the package that she wants, is just too big. But if we can get something now, let's get it. Our chances are running thin. Again, I want to thank you all for being here and all your support on this channel. Without you, I know I would not have a channel. That's why I bring you the truth the way I know it. I try not to make clickbait, thumbnails, or titles. Sometimes I'm accused of it, but that's not my intention. Y'all, just know I love you all. And please, today at 12, I'm going to have a video coming out. I really want y'all all to see it. I'm uncovering a bunch of lies about stimulus from right here on YouTube. And I want y'all to see it. So please come back at 12. I won't name any names. But when I start talking about it, you'll know who I'm talking about. Y'all, please watch the video that's popping up here in just a minute. And just know I do love you all, and I do appreciate you being here. You are like my friends. You're my extended family. And I love you all. Please say a prayer for our country. Say a prayer for our leaders, no matter who they are. Say a prayer for our American people that's been hurt by COVID, and the people that's been hurt by the actions and the lack of actions from the government. And this is for everyone around the world. We can't just heal America. We got to ask God to heal the whole world. Y'all, I do love you all. Please come back at 12 noon to watch the video where I'm uncovering a bunch of lies that I've been seeing. Also, please check out every night at 9 p.m. My wife and I have a show, and we don't talk stimulus. We don't talk politics or Bitcoin. We just have a lot of good laid-back fun to escape all of this stuff. We have a lot of fun. Everybody seems to enjoy it, and there's a lot of people that comes over there. So please come watch it one time, and if you don't like it, you don't have to come back. But please, come watch it one time. I do love you all. Until 12 noon, please come back and watch that video. Ciao.